You're not doing anything.
Yeah.
Nobody.
That's
Yeah.
sweet.
Woo! Come here.
Stay over here.
Man.
I'll hold
Colton.
you.
You know you're redneck. Hold on a minute, Jeffro. Woo! Come here and watch this Mentos thing go up. You know you're redneck. Hang on. There's nothing like having a Diet Coke church function. It works good, and if you put it in there, it explodes.
Are you taping it, Jess?
Yeah, I am.
This will be doing the shows if you will.
It's like a volcano out here.
Did you feel me blowing the back of your neck?
Somebody have Hunter?
I've been
Put
hunting.
the whole roll in there.
I've been hunting for years. Hunter, stay over here, Bubba. Don't go over there.
Come
Stay
here.
over here with us.
Well, we had Jessica.
Come on.
Because you'll have a Coke bath and we can't stand the water.
Go see Pawpaw.
Here, Papa.
Or
Okay,
go
well,
down.
Stand right there then.
It's a hot tamale.
Come on now. I gotta get pictures with y'all before y'all leave Westwood. Okay?
Supposed to go down. You gotta get Marlon Darla to run down there so I can get that bed at y'all's house. Because we're gonna put it in the back of the truck and take it back to Dallas with us.
Dallas Airport.
Or wherever we live. How many you put in there? Put them all in there, that bottle will explode. Really? You only put one when she had a Rockwell County. How was that? Better than me, I'm going to rack up and release $400. I'm going to go get that mirror so you can see what you look like after.
What?
Huh?
Cold? Does he need to take his suit jacket off?
He's going to need to take something off once he gets wet with that junk.
Sweating, they need to hurry it on up.
Kind of look, they're wasting your Diet Coke. They're wasting your Diet Coke.
Watch our step. Watch, it's gonna go wet.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Clet,
Hurry.
You ever seen this?
come here.
Back up.
Come on.
Close it. Close it.
This is the neatest thing you ever seen, man. Ready?
Don't do the countdown. 10, 9, 8. Okay, let's go.
You gotta get back, Jeffro.
Wow. That is wild.